Everyone, my name is Manpreet Kaur. I am going to talk about two indigenous people of the north who are called the Sami people. Firstly, I am going to introduce two indigenous people. The number of indigenous people is around 370 million people. They live in 90 nations throughout the world. My presentation mainly focus on the Sami people. They live in northern part of Europe. They usually like to live in Norway, Finland, Sweden and Kola Peninsula. Moreover, the Sami have been known as the oldest culture in the vast northern areas of Norway. They are recognized due to the language, due to their unique craft work and their tradition also. The estimated total population of the Sami in northern region of Europe is approximately 80,000 and half of the population only lives in Norway instead Finland and Sweden. After that, I am going to talk about some interesting facts about the Sami. That Sami people usually hunted reindeer as well as they usually made tents. They like to live in tents as well as they like to live in communities and societies. It is very debatable issue about the reason of the Sami people because the reason of the Sami is still largely unknown and it was recognized by multiple scholars that they origin from the northern part of the Europe. Now I attached one picture in my slide which is called the Sami flag. The Sami flag contains different colors like blue, red, and green. This picture shows the time during the 1970 when Sami people got their rights from Swedish government. After that, the Sami is a very unique term which is used to explain the population of this particular indigenous cultural background that they live or have originated from northern region of Europe. They get their rights as well as they did different type of activities in cultural group which are very mandatory for them. After that, the Sami in Norway. Just as other indigenous tribes in numerous nations, the Sami have suffered from a history of political discrimination and domination because of religion and language. In Norway, the Sami have their unique parliament that advances their unique political agendas. So the unique parliament body is also remain responsible for the management of missions as well as laws and rules and regulations that have been delegated by their national authorities. The Sami in Finland, they lived there approximately 9,000, but more than 60% of live outside their homelands. The Sami people is known as indigenous tribe in Finland in 1995. It was very vital for them because it provides the Sami with the right of maintaining and developing their language and culture. So in Finland, the Sami people express their traditional ways of life which are very mandatory for them. Sami people did lot of struggle during their earlier period of life because they were restricted to speak their own language in public places like in schools and in parliaments. So they lived far away from their own native language. But after the half of the 20th century, they increased awareness and they raised their voice and they got their rights which were very important for them, and they implemented new rules in their cultural group which were very vital for them. Moreover, the Sami language. The Sami belong to the Uralic linguistic group. The Sami people use a total of 9 unique but closely intertwined tongues. In northern Norway, there are three main languages which are spoken by Sami people. Now, I would like to talk about some ritual ways of life. So, they like to do hunting and fishing. It it was very important for them to do hunting and fishing because they ate animals as well as birds also. After that, a significant portion of the northern region is dedicated to raising of reindeer because they hunted reindeer. Sami culture contains a range of unique approaches or forms of expression such as joik. Joik is the most oldest song traditions in Europe and it is still alive. These forms of expression are dedicated to individuals, to population, to animals, to place. The Sami fashions and craft. The Sami people like to do fashion and they also like to wear traditional clothes. Sami's traditional clothing are very unique. They have managed to preserve their native traditional clothes that serves their cultural identity. The Sami people like to make knife, wood carving, shoelaces, which are very important, as well as they are highly skilled and they like to make shoes. Shoes are very comfortable for them because it preserves them from cold. Shoes are very warmth. Now I am going to talk about today's situation in northern area of Europe. In the 21st century, it has witnessed increased spread of modernization and technology, so the Sami culture has been forced to meet such new changes. Sami people have incorporated their traditional cultures with contemporary ways of life. So they are living their life according to the technology and according to the modernization era. But they follow their culture, tradition, their language, as well as their customs also. Moreover, there are so many lessons for peers in my presentation. Firstly, peers would learn rituals, religion, their fashion, their art, their craft. Because earlier I talked about all these things about the Sami people, their belief system. Their belief system is very good because they usually like to live in communities. So they spread their ethics and values to next generation, that they passed their traditional ways of life from one generation to next generation. Their living style is very good, which is very important for them when they passed old traditional ways to next generation, and they did too much struggle during their life period. So at the end, I would like to show you my references slide. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you.